much for attending the event. I'm Priyanka from Juniors Fashion Week. I'm working as a director in Juniors Fashion Week, and this is our 74th showcase, which is happening in Hyderabad Lee Meridian. And there are different international luxury brands which are participating in this event. Many of them are like Angel and Rocket. We have Rookie, which includes Levi's, Jordan, Nike, and then we have which is a which has beauty products for kids specifically, and then we have Indian Terrain, which is specialized in boys category. The main motto of this event is to just to connect the kids as well as the brand to their end users. So this event happens for 2 days. First day is specifically for the workshop session and personality grooming of the juniors, and the second day is basically for showcasing their talent with the help of these awesome brands. Apart from this, when we have started our event in 2017. Since then, we have done 74 showcases in different metro cities, which includes mainly like Chennai, then Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. Then we have NCR, Chandigarh, Kolkata. These are the main cities which we have covered so far. Now we are planning our autumn winter collection, which will be starting from September onwards from Bangalore, and the summer spring season will end up with Mumbai on 4th and 5th of August. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm Ankita Jain and I'm so happy to see that I am your associated for the second time for the Junior Fashion Show, which is happening in Hyderabad. This is a great platform for all the little kids, and trust me, this platform is the best one because they ensure everything for the kids, right from the outfits to the attire to the makeup, etc. So in case if you guys are feeling to enroll your little ones, I think this is a great platform and you guys should definitely do it. Here there are a lot of brands right from Kids Up, which is an very supreme brand. Then up is Vimsy, which is for makeup for the little ones, which is super safe and very good, which has come for the first time over here. Also Angel and Rocket, which has a great quality dresses and outfits for the little ones. Also the Indian Terrain brand, which is of course quite famous. So what are you guys waiting for? Make sure that next time if you see just Junior Fashion Show, make sure that your kids definitely enroll in this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, for making this event successful. We, as a Juniors Fashion Week, did 74th event, and now we are happy to announce that we are having this brand ambassador program in the Juniors Fashion Week. So we are providing future opportunity to the kids. We are connecting with the industry. We are creating the portfolio, social media featuring, and we are providing the direct connect with the industry where they are getting the opportunity to work with the different kind of advertisement, different kind of brands. So what are you waiting for? If you wanted to be a part of the Juniors Brand Ambassador program, we are really welcome you to join us. Thank you.